Want to build a diversified portfolio without paying trading commissions? If you didn't know Fidelity offers commission-free ETFs, you're not alone. Today, we're trading ETFs without fees on Fidelity. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Fidelity has a large selection of ETFs that trade with $0 commissions, making them an excellent, low-cost building block for any portfolio. Step 1. Find the commission-free ETF list. In Fidelity's research tools or on their website, look for commission-free ETFs, or ETF Marketplace. You'll see a list of hundreds of ETFs from various providers that trade with no fees. Step 2. Trade like normal. When you place a trade for one of these eligible ETFs, you'll see the commission displayed as $0 before you submit the order. This applies to both buy and sell orders. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: look for iShares ETFs for the widest selection. Fidelity has a partnership with iShares, BlackRock, offering over 500 of their ETFs commission-free. This gives you incredible diversity, from total market funds like ITOT to international and bond ETFs, all without trading costs. So, just like that, you can build a sophisticated, diversified portfolio without eroding your returns with fees. Commission-free ETF trading goes a long way in keeping more of your money working for you. Now I'm curious, what's your favorite commission-free ETF on Fidelity? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.